Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best outdoor security cameras you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The IMILAB EC5 Pro offers a robust feature-rich solution for outdoor surveillance, designed to provide comprehensive security with high-quality imaging and flexible control. This camera captures clear detailed footage with its 2K resolution, ensuring important details are visible during both day and night. Equipped with color night vision, the EC5 Pro delivers vibrant images even in low-light settings, enhancing the quality of nighttime monitoring. The camera's 360-degree pan-tilt zoom capability allows for expansive coverage, and users can remotely adjust its direction and zoom to focus on specific areas of interest, providing an all-encompassing view of the property. With both Wi-Fi and LAN support, the camera offers versatile connectivity options for different installation needs. Auto-deterrence features include a siren and spotlight that can be activated when motion is detected, deterring potential intruders and adding an extra layer of security. The camera's IP66 rated weatherproof design ensures reliable performance in various weather conditions, making it suitable for outdoor environments. The device provides additional functionality with its auto-tracking feature, which automatically follows moving objects within its field of view, capturing essential moments. Real-time notifications are sent through the Mi Home app, enabling remote monitoring and control. Users can also interact with visitors via two-way audio, enhancing communication and safety. Local storage is available via microSD card, up to 256 GB, allowing users to record footage without a monthly subscription, and cloud storage with a free 3-month trial is also offered. With customizable motion zones, siren activation, and spotlight functionality, the IMILAB EC5 Pro delivers a comprehensive subscription-free security solution ideal for both residential and commercial needs. The EZVIZ H3C is a powerful outdoor surveillance device that elevates home security with high-quality video, advanced detection features, and seamless user control. Its 2.5K resolution provides crisp detailed visuals that enhance monitoring accuracy, while brilliant color night vision with built-in spotlights allows for clear images even in complete darkness. With its IP67 waterproof rating, the camera is designed to endure harsh weather conditions, including sun, rain, and snow, ensuring year-round reliability. One of the camera's standout features is its smart AI detection, which reduces false alerts by recognizing human shapes, ensuring notifications are only sent when relevant activity is detected. Additionally, the camera offers unique gesture control. By waving, users can initiate a video call, making it easy to connect with family members or guests. Two-way communication allows users to interact with visitors, provide instructions to delivery personnel, or deter potential intruders, while customizable voice alerts can be set to play when motion is detected. For added flexibility, the EZVIZ H3C supports local storage on a microSD card, up to 512 GB, and offers optional cloud storage with a free 1-month trial. Integrating easily with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa, users can control the camera with simple voice commands. This versatile high-resolution camera provides peace of mind with robust security features and convenient smart home integration, making it ideal for outdoor security. The Arlo Pro 5 S2K is a high-performance surveillance device tailored for both indoor and outdoor security, combining superior video quality and advanced functionalities to deliver comprehensive protection. This camera offers 2K HDR video resolution 2560 by 1440, capturing clear detailed visuals, ideal for identifying faces and license plates from a distance. Equipped with color night vision, the camera enhances nighttime monitoring, providing vivid full-color footage even in low-light environments. A 160-degree field of view ensures a broad coverage area, reducing blind spots, and the camera's 12x digital zoom allows users to focus on specific areas without compromising image clarity. For ease of use, the camera features a wire-free, battery-powered design with the option for solar power, facilitating quick installation. A magnetic mount allows flexible positioning, and its weather-resistant build ensures reliable performance in various conditions, from rain to snow. Integrated dual-band Wi-Fi ensures stable connectivity for seamless video streaming. Smart notifications differentiate between people, animals, vehicles, and packages, delivering tailored alerts to your smartphone. The built-in spotlight, triggered by motion, brightens the area and deters potential intruders, while two-way audio with noise cancellation enables real-time communication with visitors or delivery drivers. A 30-day trial of the Arlo Secure Plan offers cloud storage for video footage and extra features like emergency response services, adding a layer of security. With compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, the Arlo Pro 5 S2K supports voice-activated control, making it an exceptional flexible solution for modern home security needs. The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro is a high-performance outdoor security camera designed to bolster home safety with advanced detection and illumination features. Capturing video in 1080p HDR, this camera delivers sharp, detailed footage, ensuring clear visuals both day and night. With color night vision activated by two powerful 2000 lumen floodlights, it effectively illuminates large outdoor areas, deterring potential intruders and enhancing visibility in low-light conditions. A 140-degree horizontal field of view further broadens coverage, making it ideal for monitoring yards, driveways, and entryways. A standout feature of this camera is its 3D motion detection technology, which allows users to customize motion zones with specific distance parameters. This precision minimizes false alarms and ensures notifications for relevant activity within set boundaries. Its bird's-eye view feature provides an aerial map overlay of motion events, showing the paths taken by visitors or intruders for better situational awareness. Additionally, two-way audio with noise reduction enables clear communication with visitors or delivery personnel, while a 110 decibel siren serves as an effective deterrent. Supporting dual-band Wi-Fi, the camera maintains a reliable connection and seamlessly integrates with Amazon Alexa and IFTTT for broader smart home automation. The hardwired setup ensures continuous power, eliminating battery replacement concerns. With a Ring Protect plan, users gain access to cloud storage, allowing them to review footage for up to 180 days. The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro combines advanced security features, comprehensive illumination, and smart home integration, making it an excellent choice for reliable outdoor surveillance. The Philips Hue Secure offers a powerful integrated solution for enhancing home security with advanced features and seamless compatibility with the Philips Hue ecosystem. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this camera captures crisp 1080p HD video for clear surveillance, supported by night vision to ensure visibility in low-light settings. Motion detection enables real-time notifications, alerting users of any activity within preset zones. The camera can distinguish between people, animals, vehicles, or packages, allowing for customized notifications tailored to user needs. Additionally, two-way audio lets users communicate directly through the camera, making it easy to interact with visitors or ward off potential intruders. Integration with the Philips Hue system amplifies functionality, allowing users to sync the camera with other Hue products and automate lighting based on detected motion. All operations are managed via the Hue app, where users can also activate the 80 decibel siren to deter threats. Privacy is a priority, with end-to-end encryption securing all video and audio recordings. The camera's IP65 rated weatherproof design ensures durability in various conditions, and installation options include wall, ceiling, or desktop placement for maximum flexibility. This wired setup guarantees continuous power without battery concerns, making it a dependable feature-rich security addition for those invested in the Philips Hue ecosystem.